Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome into the channel. Probably going to see this video on June 1st, 2022, but I got an email from Humble Homestead, Colorado CO this morning. Thank you for sending me that email, by the way, Humble Homestead, about a new law in Colorado, and this only affects Colorado from what I can see, but I wanted to make the video on it because it seems really crazy, and I wanted to know if any other states had this, or if it seems like this may be coming to other states. And then also I wanted to see if anybody, maybe a CPA, I'm already going to send this to Mark too at Not Your Dad's CPA. I'll ask Paul here in Florida. I'll ask everybody if they know about this, but this is the most insane reseller tax law I have ever seen, and thank God it's only Colorado. If you are from Colorado, please take my advice and seek a CPA's advice. So he sends me this email and he says, what's to say, on the fuzzy on end of this for Colorado resellers or for those who ship to Colorado. So the return delivery fee RDF law from tax.colorado.gov. Do you sell taxable items that will be delivered by a motor vehicle, and I'll put this up here, to a location in Colorado, including deliveries made by a third party? Well, any delivery has to be delivered by motor vehicle. The only other way to deliver something would be, that doesn't mean the ship that brings it in or the plane that lands it. When it's actually delivered, it's delivered by some form of a motor vehicle, right? Unless, of course, you have drone delivery, but I don't think that is really happening yet. It says, if the answer is yes, this law impacts you. You'll be required to charge, collect, and remit a new fee to the Colorado Department of Revenue, CDOR, highlighted beginning July 1st, 2022. It applies to all retail sales delivered by a motor vehicle to a location in Colorado. Includes third-party deliveries. 27 cents per retail sale for delivery. So this says not only does it apply to all retail sales delivered by a motor vehicle to a location in Colorado, meaning if I'm in Florida and I sell something that gets delivered to a Colorado address, I'm responsible for 27 cents per retail sale for delivery. Charged to the purchaser. So it's actually going to be charged only to people that are in Colorado, not me. But here's the great thing. Collected by the retailer and remitted to the CDOR, the Colorado Department of Revenue. So what they're saying is I have to charge any customer that buys from me a 27-cent fee, and then I have to send it to the Colorado Department of Revenue. Follows sales tax filing frequencies and due dates filed on a separate return from the DR 1786, which I would assume is Colorado's sales tax certificate. Well, those impacted, hold on, let's go this. Retailers licensed to make sales in Colorado. Examples not limited to restaurants that deliver, grocery stores, flower delivery, sales that require delivery, that's us, furniture, appliance, electronics, online stores that ship orders, and business-to-business retail stores like my wholesale. Transaction retail delivery fee, all retail sales that have at least one item delivered by a motor vehicle in Colorado, etc. Okay. So just like we have eBay collecting sales tax and paying it for us on our behalf, if that's a law, then eBay would need to collect that 27 cents from anybody that is in Colorado and pays for an item. That should not be our responsibility. And here's my official advice to you, is not to worry about it. If you're in Colorado, you may want to look into this. And you're delivering to someone in Colorado. If you're outside of Colorado, either eBay needs to handle this as part of, or other platforms as part of their collection of sales tax and filing it. Otherwise, Colorado, as far as I'm concerned, can kiss my come get your 27 cents from whoever you want to choose to come get it from. I would never advocate you skipping tax laws or committing tax fraud or doing any of the above, but the third-party marketplaces, eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, the facilitators, it is their responsibility to collect sales tax and file it. And this 27-cent delivery fee, if it's a delivery tax, that is not my problem, and I don't care. And I am not going to go back to my orders and find every customer I sold to that's from Colorado, go file on Colorado's website and register for a Colorado thing and send them 27 cents for every customer. Absolutely no way, no how will that ever happen. It is the most asinine, stupid thing I've ever heard in my life. And even if I was in Colorado, if I'm a Colorado seller selling to people in Colorado, I'm not doing it either. What I would tell you to do is to go contact the Department of Revenue and tell them that eBay is responsible for handling that for you and that you're not paying it. Now, being that you're in Colorado, they may have ways to come after you as they do in Florida. If we don't pay our Florida sales tax, they can suspend our license. They can do a bunch of things. Colorado can't touch me in Florida. Good luck. Bring it on. But with that said, if you're in Colorado, you may want to be a little more cautious of this. For everyone else, if you hear about this or you see it in Facebook groups, just ignore it. Talk to eBay. Talk to your CPA. There's no way, no how Colorado could imagine every order that ships into Colorado from all over the country. The state of Colorado trying to figure out who owes them 27 cents times how many customers. This is a complete cash grab. It's a complete money grab for 27 cents extra. This is Colorado trying to make themselves rich. Absolutely incredible. And I challenge the state of Colorado to explain this and rationalize it. And please, somebody from Colorado, talk to a local congressperson or media or somebody and have them come to me and come on my channel, because I'll challenge this all the way to a court of law. Okay, so that's just something that got sent to me. Humble Homestead, Colorado. Thank you for sending that over. I appreciate it. If you have thoughts, concerns, questions about this, please comment them down below. My official advice to you is seek the advice of a CPA, as I can't give you legal or financial advice, but I just told you how I'll be handling it. With that said, have a wonderful rest of your day. Hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and go shove it, Colorado. I don't like you anymore.